Hey there, it's Alexis with Chakredy, and today I am so excited to talk with you about why my pendulum is not a crutch. And this is not my only pendulum, because I have many, many dozens, hundreds perhaps. I have lots. Over the years, I've heard people refer to pendulum work as a crutch. Like you depend on it, like you can't trust your intuition because of it. And I want to say that that is nonsense. It could not be further from the truth for me. Like all things Chakredy, I work with these tools in a pretty unconventional way, and I am not consulting them to predict the future or to tell me what to do and what to eat at all points in time, if ever. That's not the way that I relate to these tools, and that's definitely not the way that I work with them or train other people how to work with them. So number one, the pendulum is an extension of your awareness. This pendulum functions as an extension of my own awareness, and this particular pendulum connects with the energy that I refer to as the Chakredy energy field. They are created to work with the Chakredy field specifically, and essentially I am the pendulum. I could do most of the work that I do without these pendulums, but it would take me a lot longer and it would be more difficult to maintain clarity in my own energy. My intellect would definitely get more involved, and the mix involved in the mix and the pendulum as a tool can help me sit back and relax into my own intuition so that I can allow the energy to flow. Pendulums help me to remain more anchored as an observer, and that's why I am so into them. Number two, not using pendulums in a predictive capacity. I'm not asking for the future to be revealed to me or really asking anything that has some type of attachment to outcome or a hidden agenda of some sort. First, because this has never occurred to me to use them in this way, and it really doesn't resonate. This is probably why I didn't feel drawn to working with pendulums before I connected with the Chakredy energy, because I thought that they were used in this predictive capacity. So energy and intuition, allowing the pendulum to support this through revealing physical movement, is really a powerful way to work with these. I don't use a crystal ball to tell me what to do, what's happening in my life, and what's going to happen. So we'll just release that part of the pendulum work. The third thing I want to speak to is that I'm not dependent on using this tool for every single decision in my life. So don't get me wrong, I use these pendulums every single day. I work with them all the time. I train other people how to work with them, but I don't need to consult with them to determine every single action. And I don't need this pendulum to tell me what to eat or what to do, like I just said. I want to debunk that myth and speak to these as creating independence and supporting professionals in working with energy rather than creating some type of dependency. Which leads me to another point around dependency. From my perspective, the most dangerous thing that can be used as a crutch is depending upon somebody else to tell you what it is that you are sensing. Nobody else can tell you what your intuition is saying. That is the work for you to do. Intuition is an inner journey. Pendulums are magical tools that can facilitate clear dialogue and tangible connections with the knowing already inside. If you are drawn to working with pendulums using the Chakredy framework, the level 1 chakra assessment training has been made into an on-demand course and is accessible year-round. So you can check that out for more info if you're interested in the link below this video, and you can check out the dates for 2018 when that program will be running live. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that this has been fun.